Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make peanut butter bars. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and line an 8x8 pan with parchment. Mix peanut butter, melted butter, brown sugar, an egg, and vanilla until smooth. Fold in flour and a pinch of salt, then press into the pan and bake until edges are set. Let cool fully before slicing so bars hold shape and taste their best. Gather your ingredients and tools before you start to keep the process smooth. Scoop and level measurements for consistent results, and choose crunchy peanut butter for texture or smooth for classic bars. If you want chocolate, fold in 1/2 cup chips or melt and drizzle on top after cooling. Cooling is important to set the bars, and chilling briefly makes slicing much cleaner and tidier. Pressing the mixture evenly helps the bars bake at the same rate and look professional. Check at around 18 to 22 minutes depending on your oven. Edges should be golden while the center remains slightly soft. Avoid overbaking to keep the bars moist and tender. After baking, cool on a rack and chill if you prefer firmer bars, then slice with a sharp knife for neat squares and store airtight to preserve fresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.